This is a either a 1976 to 1980 Chrysler Sailor 250. I don't know what year it is because the serial number's not on it no more. Plates fell off or something. I don't know. I bought it as a parts motor and did some repairs to it because it didn't have that much wrong with it. It had a blown head gasket, so I resurfaced the head and put a new head gasket on. It's a long shaft electric start motor with a built-in alternator, electronic ignition. There's no rope pulling on this. You just push button. Hook it up to the battery and push a button. It's designed for a sailboat, so it's kind of geared low. And it's got a big prop, so it worked good for like a deep V aluminum boat or a long sailboat like a 25-footer or something like that. We'll go ahead and start it. It's got a new water pump impeller too. The alternator on these will charge the battery at 5 amps. So when you have it hooked up, it'll charge the battery when it's running. 2 cables hook up to the battery. It's got a push button start over here and a choke right there. Prime it up, put it in start position. Starts right up. It's got really good compression. I don't think it really overheated too much when it blew the head gasket because it's still pretty solid. Even. See the water pump working really well. Slow it down into the shift range, which is right there. Go ahead and put it forward and watch the water. See the water turning. You can speed it up a little bit, but not too much because it'll blast that water bucket out of there. It's kind of nice because you can run it real low like that and it'll troll around all day long. These motors were built with 250 foot-pounds of thrust, which is pretty good for a small motor. It means it's geared low. You go back into neutral here. Now I'll put it in reverse. The seals on this lower unit are good. I just changed the gear oil in it, so it's got fresh oil. There, we're going in reverse. Drop it back down to the shift range again. Put it in neutral. You can hear it run really smooth. Push button stop right here. Kill the motor. Just do that. And just to show it'll start right back up. Here's the starter button underneath the fuel line. It's kind of small, it's hard to find. Starts right up every time. Tilt lock and tilt release right here. Release and there's lock. This motor is available for sale on Chrysler. Thanks a lot.